Hello guys, welcome to the new session that is public key infrastructure. Let's discuss about the public key infrastructure, that is PKI. That is a system that helps to secure the electronic communications, and it does this by using a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and the private key. The public key is shared with anyone, while the private key is kept secret or the kept with the decryptor. And this setup allows the PKI to provide the several security services, including authentication and confidentiality with the integrity and non reputation. So there are some key components of PKI, that is certificates, certificate authorities, and registration authorities with public key and private key, and also a digital signature. So what are certificates? The digital certificates are the electronic document that use a digital signature to blind or bind a public key with an identity, such as a person or organization. So certificates are issued by the certificate authorities, and the it contains information like the owner's public key and the certificate's expiration date and the CS digital signature with the CAs. So let's see the certificate authorities. The CAs are trusted entities and that issues and manage the digital certificates. They verify the identity of the certificate requester before issuing the certificate and ensuring that the public key belongs to the correct entity. So let's see the registration authorities like RAS. So RAS acts as intermediates between the user and the CAs. They help to verify the identity of the users requesting the certificate, uh, but do not issue the certificate themselves. So the public key is shared openly and used to encrypt the data, and the private key is kept secret with the owner and used to decrypt the data and encrypt with the corresponding public key, as we had discussed in the first video lecture of the cryptographic session. So that is the public and private key. So let's see the digital signatures. So digital signatures are created using a private key and can be verified by anyone with the corresponding public key. So they ensures the authenticity and integrity of the message or the document. Uh, how the public key integration works. So they works with the few steps like generating keys, issuing certificates, using certificates, verifying or verification. So this is the some steps to um, working steps of PKI. So let's discuss them in deeply. So generating key, a user can generate a pair of cryptographic key like public and private. The public key is submitted to CA along with the proof of identity. So the second step, that is issuing certificate. The CAs verify the user's identity. Once they verified, the CA user issues a digital certificate that includes the public key and the CA's digital signature. So the another step, that is using certificates. When a user want to communicate securely, they just use the recipient's public key to encrypt the data, and then the recipient uses their private key to decrypt the data. And the last step, that is verification. To verify a digital signature, the recipient uses the sender's public key. If the signature is valid, it confirms the sender's identity and that the data has been altered. So why is public key important? So PKI is crucial for secure communication on the internet. It ensures that the identity of the communicating parties is verified, the data is encrypted and cannot be read by unauthorized parties, and the data integrity of the data is maintained and ensuring it has been tampered with the like C is, and the sender of the data cannot deny having sent it while proving non reputation. So the that's the brief overview of the public key infrastructure, or the PKI. It's a foundational technology for securing the digital communication and ensuring the authenticity and the integrity of the data. So I hope this session has helped you to understand how the PKI works and why it is so important in our digital world. So thank you for watching this lecture.